Hello, welcome to the greatest Project 2 submission you've ever seen before in your life. Before we get started, the live slug reaction's not a part of the website itself. I added that on top of the video. Anyways, so this is our Project 2 submission. I'm Thomas Leonard. My partner was Zoe Rose. Let me just hop through a bunch of the requirements real quick. We got a home page. We got a nav bar. That's a web component. Custom fonts. This is by choice, not by mistake. Perfectly optimized, may I say, too. We got all our kind of grading stuff. I do think we deserve 100 out of 100, but I'm pretty sure you got that by yourself by now. We have so many web components. All these controls, they're web components. Even this color wheel, that's a web component. The title, it's a web component. The footer, it's a web component. We have web components up the wazoo. All of these default values are loaded from an external JSON file. And we also added some local storage in tandem with that. So not only are we loading data to initialize first-time users, but let's say I do something like this. Let's make a guy. This is all dynamically created, of course, with this is dynamically created with Canvas. I'll get into that in a second, though. But if we hop pages, our guy's still there. We can change body color. This is borrowed code. We credited, not borrowed code, but borrowed heavily from a guide. That was listed in the description. And he dances. Isn't that crazy? So it's a bit of an audio visualizer. I'm going to turn that way down and have him dance a little bit. So what we have here is a little guy that's being created dynamically in Canvas, so it goes above and beyond what we've done in class. He's created from a couple anchor points that are being adjusted to bob up and down and whatnot. Those anchor points being here for the face and head. Here, 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 and here. We're using some more concepts with Canvas that we didn't really get a chance to cover in class, like rotate and quadratic curves. For example, if you look at these smooth little fingers, those are made with quadratic curves right there. We've created a nice charming project. It kind of encompasses a lot of what we were able to do. We have a hamburger menu that will be hamburgered if you do this, alongside some extra stuff. Oh, that's not going to look good in the recording at all, but it's there, I assure you. No errors, of course. Yeah, that's the project. This is 100 out of 100. We don't really have anything that's wrong with this project. There's a lot more that we want to add, but that's going to be on our own time in the future. In terms of requirements, everything's here. Man, saving you some time. That's 100 right there. All right, have a good summer.